In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add video in Webflow. Let's start inside your Webflow project. Open the designer and head to the exact page and section where you want your video to appear. It's helpful to decide this up front. Placing your video inside a section, container, or a specific grid or column helps keep your layout consistent and responsive as you build. Next, open the Add panel by clicking the plus icon in the designer. This is your library of elements, and in the search bar at the top, type video to filter the results. You'll see the standard video element appear. This is the one that embeds videos from platforms like YouTube and Vimeo. Click the video element to add it to the selected spot on your canvas, or drag and drop it into the exact location you prefer. Dropping it into a container or column ensures it aligns with your design system. Once it's on the page, select the video and open the settings panel. Here's where you paste your video URL. Use the normal share link from YouTube or Vimeo rather than embed code. As soon as you paste, you'll see a preview right in the canvas. Depending on the provider and browser, you can adjust options such as showing controls, looping, or autoplay. Keep in mind, many browsers block autoplay if sound is on, so if you enable autoplay, consider muting the video. For accessibility, it's best to keep controls visible and to add captions on the video platform itself. You can also add an image overlay if you want a custom thumbnail that shows before playback, which can improve load perception and give you more visual control. Switch over to the Style panel to refine the look. The video element is responsive by default, but you can set width to 100% with a max width for clean scaling, center it with auto margins, and add touches like border radius or a subtle box shadow. Check spacing above and below so it sits comfortably in your layout. Then preview across breakpoints to confirm it looks great on tablet and mobile. Adjust margins, max width, or radius as needed. If you need to use a self-hosted file, consider the background video element for short, muted loops, or use an embed with HTML5 video. For performance, keep files small and rely on streaming platforms for longer content. That's it. Your video is in, styled, and ready to go. Nice work.